Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the OKIOLABS OKIOCAM T-4K 8 megapixels USB document camera, a must-have tool for teachers, classrooms, and anyone involved in online teaching or video calling. This compact powerhouse captures full ledger-size materials, allowing you to showcase large, detailed images like maps and artworks with ease, thanks to its 8-megapixel 1/3.2 CMOS sensor that delivers ultra-high-definition images up to 3264 by 2448p. Enjoy lag-free streaming at up to 30 FPS in Full HD, with easy-to-use controls for adjusting focus, exposure, and zoom, plus the ability to flip images 180 degrees. The included OKIOPoint feature offers AI tracking for documents, making navigation and zooming during presentations a breeze. With a variety of comprehensive software options, you can annotate live images, zoom digitally, rotate, record videos, take snapshots, and even create stop-motion and time-lapse projects. Compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, Chrome, and interactive display systems, the T4K document camera is plug-and-play, ensuring a seamless experience for all users. So, whether you're in a classroom or a virtual meeting, the OKIOCAM T4K is your go-to device for capturing and presenting high-quality content effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.